How to open Snapchat in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can open Snapchat in laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can actually open Snapchat in your laptop by using Snapchat Web. So you can open your browser and go to web.snapchat.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. And when you go to web.snapchat.com, you can see you can directly log into your Snapchat account and start using and talking to people or friends on Snapchat. If you want to install the application version, you can click the top left option to refresh it and update it, or maybe install a desktop version of the application. So this way you should be able to open and use Snapchat on laptop because Snapchat made it so that we can use on laptop computer. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.